Good morning, everyone. The topic we are starting today is limiting reagent. This one is again important topic, their definition as well as numerical. Now, what is limiting reagent? Okay, actually, those reagent, those who limit the reaction. Okay, or in other word, you can say the reactant which is completely consumed in a reaction. Okay, first as comparison to another one, that one is known as limiting reagent. जो भी reaction में पहले खत्म हो जाएगा, consume first, okay, as comparison to another one, that one is known as limiting reagent. And the extra one which is still remaining in a reaction, that one is known as excess reagent. Okay, for example, now just see, it's a general example. Now 2H2 plus O2, it gives 2H2O. This shows what? That one is when two molecule of hydrogen, now just see, it's a two molecule or either it's a two volume, because as we have done this one, we have done in that that one Avogadro's law. Now just see, in this one it's a two molecule of hydrogen react with one molecule of oxygen and they give two molecule of H2O. It means here the ratio is 2:1. Means for two, either it's a 2 mole, okay, when 2 mole react, then it requires only 2 mole of hydrogen react only with 1 mole of hydrogen, because it's required only 1 mole of oxygen to give 2H2O. Okay, now just see, in this one the 2H2 plus O2, it gives 2H2O. That means 2:1. Now suppose in a reaction mixture, okay, reaction mixture contain 2 mole of hydrogen and 2 mole of oxygen. It's a simple condition is given to you. Now suppose in a reaction that 2 mole of hydrogen and 2 mole of oxygen is given. Okay, then you have to identify which one is excess reagent and which one is limiting reagent. Okay, now just see, in this one what we have learned, that two molecule react with one molecule of oxygen. It means normally 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 moles of H2O. Okay, but our condition is it's a 2 mole of hydrogen and 2 mole of oxygen. Now just see, in this one that it shows what ki contain 2 mole of hydrogen itna, so then only 1 mole of oxygen will react with 2 moles of hydrogen. It means only 1 mole of oxygen is used, okay, and 1 mole is still remaining. Okay, so it shows what? That one is, in this case, hydrogen is a limiting reagent because it consumes first, okay, as comparison to oxygen, and oxygen is a excess reagent. Okay, so this one is limiting reagent. Now one question regarding to this, it's a easy question. Now just see, okay, in a reaction it's a plus B2, it gives AB2. Identify the limiting reagent, if any, in the following reaction mixture. You have to identify, one condition is given to you. Now just see, one atom react with one molecule, okay, it means ratio is 1:1. Okay, now here ratio is 1:1, means 1A atom, 1B molecule, it gives AB2, and you have to identify only limiting reagent. No reason is required, only limiting reagent you have to identify. Now just see, first case, that 300 atoms of A plus 200 molecules of B. Second is 2 moles of A plus 3 moles of B. Then 100 atoms of A, 100 molecules of B. Now 5 moles of A plus 2.5 mole of B, and another one is the reverse. It's a 2.5 mole of A and 5 mole of B. Now just see, in first one you have to identify limiting reagent. Okay, now check, our ratio is 1:1. Okay, now here 300 atoms of A react with 200 molecule of B. Okay, now we have only 200 molecule of B, so it shows what? Only 200 molecule react with 200 atom of A, because ratio is 1:1. Okay, the 200 react with 200 only, so here 100 atoms of A is still remaining. So it means here B is a limiting reagent and A is excess reagent, but you have to write only limiting reagent. Okay, so B is limiting reagent. Now second one is, now it's easy, 2 mole of A plus 3 mole of B. Now check in this one, that 2 mole obviously 2 mole of A react with only 2 mole of B. Okay, 1 mole is extra. It means in this one A is limiting reagent. Now 100 atoms of A and 100 molecule of B. Ratio is 1:1. Both are equal. It means in this case both will react completely. Okay, no one is a limiting reagent because both are react completely. Now next one is 5 mole of A plus 2.5 mole of B. Now in this one B is a limiting reagent because this one is present in excess, so 2.5 mole of B react only with 2.5 mole of A only. Okay, now another one, it's A is a limiting reagent. Why? Same, it's a 2.5 mole of A react only with 2.5 mole of B. Okay, this one is general thing regarding to limiting reagent. Okay, and you always remember one thing, that whenever reaction is given to you, you have to identify their ratio. Okay, whatever is the ratio given in the reaction, okay, that accordingly you have to identify either which one is limiting reagent or which one is excess reagent. Okay, thank you.